Hi everyone, my name is Megan Grullard and I'm a 2018 Mercy alum. Congrats on making it to your senior year. This is such an exciting time full with many changes and opportunities. Some of you may be feeling a little anxious or nervous as to what the future may hold, and that's totally normal. We've all gone through that. When I first started at Mercy, I really didn't know what I wanted. It took some time for me to realize that I loved both health science and business, and I wanted a profession that combined the two industries. So I thought human resources would be a good way to go. So I used all my resources at Mercy. I attended events, I went to professional workshops, I even worked one-on-one with members of the career services team in order to just get help, get as much advice as I can. They encouraged me to find an internship within HR and even helped me find an internship within a healthcare facility. And turns out I got the internship and it went great. I ended up loving human resources, and I would have never known if I didn't try. So the tools and advice that I was given at Mercy has prepared me for life after college. Now I am proud to say that I got a full-time job 3 months after graduating. Now I am a human resources specialist at MediaCom Communications. It's not health science, but it's definitely a start. My advice to you guys is to use all the resources that Mercy provides. Go to all the events. Take as many classes as possible. Find a field that you love and run with it. You will never regret getting an internship or shadowing a professional. It won't be easy. Trust me, I ran into a lot of obstacles along the way, but I almost gave up. But at Mercy, you will really find people that want you to succeed, and they'll do anything to help you succeed. So don't miss out this amazing opportunity to join the Mercy College family. I wish you guys all the luck. Bye.